Welcome, Whisk takers. For this video, I wanted to try something different. For those of you that have been watching, you know my desserts can take anywhere between a few hours to even a day. And I know we're busy, I get it. So as a gesture of gratitude, I whipped up something I like to call a small whisk. These small whisks should only take between 10 to 15 minutes, give or take. And today, we're gonna whisk up some flourless peanut butter chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. They're a mouthful to say, but they're super easy to make, all right? Let's jump right to it. Let's get the oatmeal, the baking soda. We'll mix that, and then let's get our peanut butter, our sugar, our 2 eggs, and our vanilla. Mix that up really well. Then our oatmeal, and lastly, the chocolate chips. Then we're gonna roll small cookies in the palm of our hands and set on the tray lined with parchment paper. Okay, so here they are, ready to go in the oven for about 9 minutes. And here they are, my little babies. They look and smell wonderful. The last thing to do, and it's optional, is add some flaky sea salt to the cookies, because nothing's better than sweet and salty. Thank you guys again. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, and keep coming back every Thursday. I will be releasing new episodes. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.